Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. We're going to continue on with our railing. Now, in this view, as we have here, you'll see that we have a railing, and what I want to show you here, you have the top rail, which would be this one, and then you have a baluster, which are these. And then you have posts, which would be on the ends here, okay? So now what we're going to do in this video, we're going to actually show you how to create different type of post or a different type of profile for, say, the post. And we're going to create the individual families. So first of all, what we need to do, so for this one, I want to, well, let me go in and I'm going to create a family here. So we want to go into our family, new, and we're going to go into family. Now here, I'm defaulting to this, and I'm going to look in my English Imperial, and then we have different profiles. So here, there's a baluster profile, as you can see here, but we've got a specific profile for the top rail. So let's focus on the top rail. That'll be first. Where would that be? Railing support. There's a support there. There's a baluster. There's a profile rail, top rail. Where is it at? Sorry, guys. It should be in here somewhere. Rail profile. Okay, we're going to take this one here. Rail, there it is, rail profile. And we'll open that up, open that family. But now we're in this family, and so what we want to do is we want to create a profile for the top rail. So basically, we'll just come in here and draw some lines because this is a profile. So let's make this just something, anything here. You want to make that an inch, and we'll come up with, say, something like this. We'll do something like that, and come here. This could be anything. You can come up with some real direct, decorative, and cute. So I'm going to go to here and here. So let's measure this to make sure we got a good dimension here. So that's going to be, okay, good. So that's going to be like 2 inches. So I want to select all this. I'll tab it. Oop, tab this. And I grab it. I want to mirror this whole thing. And then there's our family. So what I'm going to do is, this is called family. I'm going to file. I'm going to save this as a family. For now, let's just leave it at 5 because they got to have somewhere to put this. So I'm just leave it at family 5, and I'm going to say I'm done with that guy, and then I'm going to load it into my project. Okay, so now I'll go back into this project, and then I'll select this rail in here. I want to edit the type, and I always duplicate. We're going to just say number 2, that's fine. Then I'm going to say OK here. And then what happens is, you see where it says top rail? Here, if I go to my profiles, my types. Wait a minute, let me go back. So here's the top rail. That's the height is 3 feet. So I would select here. And I can add my material here. And then here, I want to select the profile. And I think we got it in here. There it is, family 5, or whatever you would name it. And then we'll give it a material. Let's go with something like wood, maybe. Yeah. Come on. Oh, we'll go with polished steel. Let's go with polished steel right there. We'll go OK. Gonna go apply and OK. Okay. So now we zoom in here. You can see there's the family we created for all of the top rails. So that's basically as simple as that. You want to make something customized. See, like here, we need to fix this. Let me fix this right quick. We select this guy. Let me see, what are we using here? We've got the, okay, handrail pipe 2. We want to change this to handrail pipe 2. Okay. So then, after that, we have another family type that we would use here, and it would be a baluster. Works the exact same way. It's a profile, and we can do one right quick. So, and then I'm gonna leave it there. I think you guys get how you do this. So here, I'm gonna take this one here. And another good way to do this is say we want to edit this guy. And here we want to get the preview. So there's our railing. And then we want to go into structure here. And as you can see, there's all the rails. Not the top rail, these are just rails. Okay. And I'm going to cancel that out. And what I want to do is I want to go create another family. So we want to go and open up another family here for our baluster. All right, so let's go into a file. I'm going to go new family. And for this one, English Imperial, I'll open that. And then we will go and look at the baluster. So there's one for the baluster. Oh, there it is right there. We'll select that guy. And we'll open it. And then here, we'll just simply create this family. So it'll be some form of, let's just go in and add some lines here and get this guy done. So it's simply something that you would just draw in here and create, and then you can adjust the heights here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to probably leave it there because we've got pretty much what we want here. That's family is just for the top rail. And then there are other rails that you can use and adjust to. But, and then here, like, okay, for instance, our stairs, I'm going to adjust these and change these to the right material. So to do that, you just go edit type. And then these are stringers. And here, these are calculations, but here you got the stringer, and what happened is you can open this, and then you're in another family, and then you can give it material. So like here, we might want to call this wood for the stringers, and then again, you want to always duplicate these. But anyway, guys, I just want to show you how to do a family. Apply. Okay. So there we have our stairs now. I don't know. I have to fix those lines. But anyway, just wanted to run through this with you. So that's how you make a custom profile. And then the railing works the same way. You just have to go into that family type and create it. Now, if you want, if somebody didn't get it, let me know. We can go through it again. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. And thanks again. Everybody be safe. Bye.